All right, so today I'm going to talk about not big animals. Not today we don't care about elephants and whales and bears. We want to talk about what are the smallest animals, the tiniest creatures. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go from number 5 to number 1, and number 1 is the smallest. Number 5 is called a bee hummingbird. A bee hummingbird. It's the Earth's smallest bird. It's 5.5 centimeters. It weighs 17 grams, but it still has a lot of energy. It needs 10 times the energy used by a marathon runner on their 26-mile trips. So that's why it has to eat its entire weight in flower nectar every day. Next, we have the bumblebee bat. The bumblebee bat. This bat is 2.5 centimeters and it weighs 20 grams. It's the size of a bumblebee. Now it lives in caves in Thailand and Burma. This tiny mammal has 28 teeth, large ears, and little thumbs with claws. It's very good at catching food using echolocation. That's when its sound bounces off an object, and it can tell what the object is by listening to the echo. Number 3 is the slender blind snake. The slender blind snake. Now this snake is 10 centimeters long, and sometimes it's called the thread snake. They live in many different environments, from the rainforest to the desert. They're found in North America, South America, Africa, and Asia. Now, over a long period of time, hundreds of years, thousands of years, the snake's eyes don't work anymore. And that's because they spend all their time underground. So that's why we call them a blind snake. The next animal is called the Paedocypres. Paedocypres is spelled P-A-E-D-O-C-Y-P-R-I-S. And the Paedocypres is a tiny little fish. It's the world's smallest fish. It's less than 1 centimeter long. It lives on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia. It eats plankton, which are very small plants and animals. These little fish can survive bad droughts, which is when an area gets less rain than it's supposed to. However, this fish is in danger of soon disappearing because its homeland is being burned to grow oil palm trees. And finally, its name is Pediphrine amuensis. Don't worry on how to spell it. It's the world's smallest frog. It's less than 1 centimeter long. It can fit on a tiny, tiny coin. It was discovered in New Guinea in 2009. It's so new, that's why they call it Pediphrine amuensis, because they don't have a name for it yet. It lives on the forest floor and eats small bugs. It can jump 30 times its body length. So, like other animals, this little frog has a lesson for us. It's clear that although they're small, they are still mighty.